In this video I will explain how to write perfect title, description, and tags for more views on YouTube. In today's digital age, YouTube has emerged as one of the most popular platforms for content creators. With millions of videos being uploaded every day, it's crucial to optimize your video's title, description, and tags to increase visibility and attract more views. In this video, we will discuss effective strategies to write the perfect title, description, and tags for your YouTube videos, helping you gain more views and grow your channel. So let's get started. Crafting the perfect title. The title of your video is the first thing viewers see, and it plays a crucial role in grabbing their attention. Follow these tips to create an appealing and effective title. A. Be concise and compelling. Keep your title short, preferably under 60 characters, while ensuring it accurately represents the content of your video. Make it intriguing and click-worthy to entice viewers to click and watch. B. Include relevant keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords that describe your video's topic or theme. This helps YouTube's algorithm understand your content and rank it higher in search results. Circa add numbers or statistics. Including numbers in your title can make it more eye-catching and specific. For example, 10 tips for, or, how to increase views by 50%. Optimizing the description. The video description is an opportunity to provide more information about your video and engage viewers. Follow these best practices for an optimized description. A. Start with a compelling hook. Begin your description with a concise and attention-grabbing sentence that summarizes the essence of your video. This encourages viewers to read further and watch the entire video. B. Include relevant keywords. Incorporate keywords related to your video's topic throughout the description naturally. This helps search engines and YouTube's algorithm understand the content better. Circa provide additional information, expand on the video's topic, discuss key points, and offer value to the viewers. You can also include links to relevant resources, social media profiles, or your website. D. Use timestamps. If your video covers multiple topics or sections, include timestamps in the description. This makes it easier for viewers to navigate to specific parts of the video, improving user experience. Selecting effective tags. Tags play a significant role in determining the visibility of your video on YouTube. Follow these tips to choose effective tags. A. Be specific and relevant. Use tags that accurately describe the content of your video. Focus on specific keywords related to your video's topic to increase its discoverability. B. Utilize a mix of long-tail and short-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific phrases that cater to niche audiences, while short-tail keywords are broader. A combination of both can help you reach a wider audience. Circa include variations and synonyms. Incorporate variations and synonyms of your main keywords to capture a broader range of search queries. This increases the chances of your video appearing in relevant search results. D. Analyze competitor tags. Research and analyze the tags used by your competitors or popular videos in your niche. This can give you insights and ideas for relevant tags to include. While not directly related to titles, descriptions, and tags, thumbnails play a vital role in attracting viewers to click on your video. A visually appealing and engaging thumbnail can significantly impact your video's click-through rate. Here are some tips to enhance your thumbnails. A. Use high-quality images. Ensure your thumbnail image is clear, visually appealing, and relevant to the video content. Use high-resolution images or screenshots that accurately represent what viewers can expect from the video. B. Add text and graphics. Include concise and catchy text overlay on your thumbnail to highlight the main topic or benefit of the video. Use contrasting colors and easy-to-read fonts to make the text stand out. Consider adding graphic elements or icons to make the thumbnail more visually appealing. Circa maintain consistency. Create a consistent visual style for your thumbnails to establish brand recognition. Use similar fonts, color schemes, and design elements across your videos to make them easily recognizable as part of your channel. D. A/B test different thumbnails. Experiment with different thumbnail designs and monitor their performance. A/B testing allows you to determine which thumbnail generates more clicks and engagement. Refine your thumbnail strategy based on the data to optimize click-through rates. Conducting keyword research. To optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags effectively, conducting keyword research is crucial. Here's how you can do it. A. Use keyword research tools. Utilize keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, RFs, or TubeBuddy to identify popular and relevant keywords related to your video's topic. These tools provide insights into search volume, competition, and related keywords. B. Analyze search queries and trends. Explore the search queries that users commonly use to find content similar to yours. Look for emerging trends and popular topics within your niche. This information can help you align your video content with what people are actively searching for. Circa long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are specific keyword phrases that target niche audiences. These keywords may have lower search volumes but can attract highly relevant viewers who are more likely to engage with your content. Incorporate long-tail keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. D. Competitive analysis. Study the titles, descriptions, and tags of successful videos within your niche. Analyze their keyword usage and adapt relevant strategies for your own content. This can provide insights into effective optimization techniques and help you identify untapped keyword opportunities. Monitoring and iterating. Optimizing your titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails is an ongoing process. It's essential to monitor the performance of your videos and make necessary adjustments. Here's what you can do. Track video analytics. Regularly review your video's analytics to gain insights into the audience engagement, click-through rates, and viewer retention. Identify patterns and trends to understand what works and what needs improvement. B. Test and iterate. Continuously experiment with different titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnail designs to see which variations drive better results. Test one element at a time to determine its impact on viewership. Implement changes based on the data and feedback you receive. Circa stay updated with trends. Keep an eye on the latest trends, topics, and algorithm updates within the YouTube community. Adapt your content and optimization strategies accordingly to stay relevant and maximize your video's visibility. Conclusion. Writing the perfect title, description, tags, and thumbnails for your YouTube videos requires careful consideration and optimization. By implementing the strategies discussed in this blog post, you can increase your video's visibility, attract more views, and grow your YouTube channel. Remember to consistently monitor performance, conduct keyword research, and adapt to the changing preferences of your audience. With dedication and a data-driven approach, you can enhance your YouTube video's discoverability and achieve greater success on the platform. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or